as we have seen, we are going to discuss heading and paragraphs and line break. Paragraph. The paragraph P of tag offer a way to structure your text into different paragraphs. Each paragraph of text should go in between any opening P and the closing P tags. As you have seen, this is opening tags, this is closing tags that have that slash. So when you are going to open paragraph, you have to open it like that and closing like that. HTML adds one line before and one line after paragraph. So in order to explain it well, let's combine with break tags. Break tags, it seems like paragraph, but they have a difference. So what mean break tag in let's meaning the break tags. The break tags, this is opening tag of break, has no closing tags. Whenever you use the break element, anything follows to start from the next line. This tag is any example of any empty element where you do not need open and closing tags, as they are nothing between them. So break, it's like that how you make these words when you write, like example, write the break tag has no closing tags. After this point, you need to go there by entering enter. So when you are encoding HTML, use a break for going to that. While the paragraph, it can give a space like this to like paragraph as your life. So now we are going to discuss heading tags. Heading tags, you can use a different size of the headings. HTML has 6 levels heading, which you use element H1, H2, H3, H4, H5, and H6. With this we look a few moments later. We are going to practice now and see how these headings works. While displaying any heading on browser, add one line before and one after that headings. So in this case, we have to practice in Visual Studio or Sublime or what you are going to use. So now let's go to coding now.
For now, welcome back to Register TV. For now, we are going to see headings. How to write the headings in a website. So we have to open tags which called head 1. After head 1, automatically when you are using Visual Studio or Sublime, there is the closing head 1. In between, we have to write the word. For example, beginner, to professional, to pro. And we see the result begin to pro, as you see. And so when we say heading 1, it means that there is head2 opening tags to head2 and copy that word. Now here we want to see the difference between head1 and head2. As you see, begin to pro, the head1 is bigger than head2. As we have seen, we have to open head3 head3. Have to see the difference between head1 and head2 and head3. As we go to head1, head2, the letter has to be small and be bold as headings. We continue to head4 by opening tags of head4, and we see the difference. They continue to be being small. We have to see head5 and finally the last one for heading is head6, where it is too small. Thank you for keep watching, keep learning for website ProSystem. Please don't forget to subscribe. We continue. When we say headings, we cannot forget about to underline the headings. When you're going to, then we have to open tags and write U and close the tags, and you close the tag as after the word you want to be underlined. At here we begin to pro and close U tags. Let's see the result. This is the line begin to flow. When you want to make headings, we use that. And here there's something, or even at all you can use and write there U and delete that and put it here after the word U. Closing tag of U. Then let's see the result. This is the line. This is the line. So we can add the horizontal line, which called HR. This is horizontal line we have made using this code HL, which means horizontal line. And when you want, there is closing tag, there is something that needed to be open tag or close tag. Horizontal line, when it is used this slash after HR, this means that there is no need to open a tag or closing tags. This is so we are going to see how can making these words another color. Can you make it green, white, or color can make it as a blue. So in a blue you can have to open what font color font color font color equal blue. This font, after the word you want to, you have to close the font. After this, the word you want to be colored font. Then you have to see that the result is you have seen the beginner have changed color. Or white and other things after line, so can check. As you see, the beginner top row, H2, H3 after line. So now can you see, can you remove the H2 and see how it will be the come normal without headings. So now we can deploy using b tag b, and rows after that word cross board, after cross board can now see the result. So if you want to board, what you have to use these tags. After that, see how to make what shows in italic or displayed in italic. So we have to delete this H3 I and white I and cross I. After that I can run. So then expected output, here expected output, this beginner to flow will be white in italic.
and there's no paragraph will be, because the H, when you use H headings, automatically it make it to the paragraph, while italic it changes the word in italics only. So that means that, let's see the output. The output beginner, as you see, the beginner to pro are in italic. If we want to be to, or if you want, you can use paragraph which P, called P, by opening tags P and closing P. This will make it come to with a paragraph. Also, we can use that brick which do the same. Brick can be used by opening tag of 2 bricks and close tag 2 bricks. The expected output will be the same, but brick it divided with small paragraph. It's like not paragraph, it's a brick. Take a brick. It's like take a brick. After that, brick can be used when you want to need to close and the opening tags. You can use brick, where at here you can take it this slash and the output will be the same, without needed to closing brick. As you see, let's continue to see. Continue to run for beginner to pro. At now you can do a website and making a description by writing word in the body, can using same colors and lines, white in bold, white in italics at now. So we continue to learn and become to professional website designer.